Hi, my name's Aaron Powder and I'm a customer of Phase Change Converters Australia. I also run a YouTube channel called the Design, Creativity and Technology channel. This is a channel that focuses on engineering such as CAD/CAM, CNC machining. So for me, I really needed three-phase power at home where I could actually run my milling machine equipment. Behind me is a Silex 7 Combo CNC machine. Now, I could not have this machine in my garage if it wasn't for Mark Bridgman and Phase Change Converters. This machine is a 380 volt three-phase machine, and for me to run this at home would require me to get in contact with my local power authority, filling in paperwork and requesting permission to have three-phase granted to my premises. Now this is quite costly and a bit of an arduous task, to say the least. I've had some quotes where it was going to be in excess of $6,000 to $7,000, and then plus I'd have to get an electrical contractor out as well to divvy up the phases to supply into my home. Now the good thing about buying a phase change converter is that I can take this with me when I leave the premises. If I was to get three-phase connected to the property, it would stay here when I left. This way I can take the machine with me. I really like the simplicity of the unit. It's pretty much plug and play. It's very easy to power on, power up. It's just a matter of turning on a circuit breaker in my house, turning on the circuit breaker in the machine, and pressing the green button on the CNC controller. Now you're probably asking, what is a CNC machine? So a CNC machine is a computer numerical control device that uses Cartesian coordinates in the X, Y and Z plane for me to make parts high repetition to a high accuracy and constant repeatability. The rotary phase changer I got from Phase Change Converters Australia runs all day, every day, and never misses a beat. It's also very good for sensitive electronic equipment like the machine I have behind me, and no problems at all running it. Now if I was to get three-phase installed to my property, it would be 415 volts AC at 50 hertz and three-phase. My machine, my CNC machine, requires 380 volts AC, three-phase. That's not a problem for phase change converters. Mark had this unit specially built for me and tickled to match that voltage requirement, and it runs all day, every day. So the question I just asked off camera was, am I happy with my decision to go with a rotary phase converter from Phase Change Converters Australia? And absolutely 100%. It was the best decision I ever made, and I think it's money very well spent. I love the fact that you can ring and speak to the owner of the company. They've got a very good customer support team down there, and they're always willing to help and to help out and meet the customer's demands. So guys, yeah, look, if you need more information, don't hesitate. Give Phase Change Converters a call.